Welcome to Daily Exam Preparation Channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's dive into the topic.
Question: which of the following is a classical string instrument primarily used in Indian classical music? Answer A. Sitar. Question: the mridangam is a percussion instrument predominantly used in which Indian classical music tradition? Answer B. Carnatic. Question: which Indian musical instrument is known as a double reed wind instrument? Answer B. Shehnai. Question: the santoor is a stringed instrument associated with which region of India? Answer B. Kashmir. Question: which instrument is famously played by the legendary musician Ravi Shankar? Answer A. Sitar. Question: the pakhavaj is primarily used in which musical style? Answer C. Dhrupad. Question: which of the following is a bowed string instrument in Indian music? Answer A. Sarangi. Question: the tanpura is mainly used for what purpose in Indian classical music? Answer C. Drone accompaniment. Question: the veena is most closely associated with which Indian classical music tradition? Answer B. Carnatic. Question: which percussion instrument is essential in both Hindustani and Carnatic music? Answer A. Tabla. Question: the shehnai is traditionally played during which occasion in India? Answer A. weddings and auspicious events. Question: which instrument is a hammered dulcimer used mainly in Indian classical music? Answer A. santoor. Question: the sarod differs from the sitar because it has? Answer B. no frets. Question: the dholak is primarily used in which type of Indian music? Answer A. folk music. Question: which instrument is considered the national instrument of India? Answer A. sitar. Question: the jaltarang is a melodic percussion instrument made of? Answer B. bowls filled with water. Question: which Indian musical instrument is played by plucking and has a gourd resonator? Answer A. veena. Question: the nadaswaram is similar to which instrument? Answer A. shehnai. Question: which instrument is known for its use in the Dhrupad style of music? Answer A. pakhavaj. Question: the bansuri is an Indian musical instrument made of? Answer A. bamboo. Question: which instrument is a string instrument played with a bow and is important in Hindustani music? Answer A. sarangi. Question: the ektara is primarily used in which genre of Indian music? Answer A. folk music. Question: The morchang is a traditional Indian instrument classified as. Answer D. Jaw harp. Question: which instrument is known as the king of instruments in Indian classical music? Answer A. Sitar. Question: the kanjira is a type of. Answer A. Frame drum. Question: which instrument is traditionally made from a tortoise shell? Answer A. Veena. Question: the ghatam is a percussion instrument made of. Answer A. Clay. Question: the pungi is traditionally used by. Answer A. Snake charmers. Question: the dilruba is a. Answer A. Bowed string instrument. Question: the sarod has its origins traced back to which instrument? Answer A. Rabab.
Thanks for watching. If you've got any ideas or suggestions, drop them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for your support. Please like, share, and subscribe for more videos.